Hi, Aisling from Tom Merchant. So you've just recently had your bathroom installed or your floor area tiled and you've got problems with staining. I'm going to run down some products with you. This is Cement Away. This is for straight after your job has been finished and you can see residue build up on the tiles. This helps remove grout residue. For any ingrained on stains that are not easily coming out, we have the heavy duty grime remover. This is for, I would say, annual maintenance. It is not something you'd use every day. Then finally, for your everyday cleaning, we have the Multi Clean, which is a pH neutral product and it's brilliant with polished porcelain. This will not leave any streaks and it's great for your daily, weekly maintenance. The final product you can buy in a supermarket, and this is for the infamous grout lines. It's the pink stuff. It works wonders. Should be used in conjunction with a brush, a scrubbing brush. Now I recommend you get on Amazon and buy yourself one of those long handheld scrubbing brushes and that'll take out all the elbow grease for you. This is the Bible product for grout. However, I have one bit of advice to give you. When selecting a porcelain floor tile, always listen to the advice of the salesperson. We recommend a dark coloured grout. Anything else you need, drop us a DM.